pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Faith Sinclair, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel where we talk about all things beauty, fitness, lifestyle, and how to build your dream life. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Alright you guys, so today, by the title of the video, you can tell we're talking about my hair that I have in, okay? So this is the Crochet human hair, and this hair is from YGwigs. Now, I bought this hair with my own money, okay? So this was not sent to me. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. But if YGwigs want to sponsor your girl, you know, let me know. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay y'all, so here is my braid down pattern. I did have leave out around the perimeter in case I want to pull it up, and I know my braids do seem slightly chunky, but the curly hair is going to cover it up. So this is the hair, y'all. It is so gorgeous, so beautiful, and this is what the strands look like. It has like the thread attached in the middle, and all I did to install this hair, I'm just going to put it in, and I literally just tie it once. I do not double tie it. I do not double knot it, because this is going to be the easiest method for me to get these out and be able to reuse this hair. So I'm just adding the hair throughout, trying to feel for any gaps and stuff. And when I first installed this hair, I did use 3 packs of hair. But then I realized that I needed another pack, so I would definitely suggest getting 4 packs of the human hair crochet when you do this style. So I wanted to have a middle part. I probably should have just did all the braids just going straight back, but this is how I ended up doing it, because I also wanted to try to do a flip over method with it, but I've been mainly wearing it in the middle part, so I probably should have just did them all going straight back. So to try to make my middle part look more realistic, I tried to do like the invisible knot method, which is just taking some of the hair and going back through the braid and just flipping it over the braid. So it kind of disguises the braid some. And like I said, I thought I was going to be wearing my hair like flipped over and stuff, so I did add some mousse, and I'm twisting it down as if I'm going to wear a side part. But y'all, like I said, I ended up wearing a middle part for most of the time, and right now I still have the hair in. It's going on about 5 or 6 weeks with this hair. I have washed it. It's still holding up pretty good, so I would definitely recommend this hair. So every night, as far as maintenance, I do flat twist down my lead out that I do have, but I mainly twist it going in the direction of a middle part, and I also have to twist up the back, as you can see me doing right here. So like I said, this is my routine. I just twist my leave out up every night and go to sleep so that my hair blends in the morning. Alright, so I've been wearing this hair for a good like a week and a half now, and I did have to get another bundle. So I would highly suggest getting 4 bundles of this hair if you want fullness in your hair. So this is what it looks like. I just took it down. I took down my leave out in the front, and this is the fullness. Let me turn around for y'all. Alright, so the hair that I put in the video, it was all 18-inch, and then I had to get a 4th bundle, and that one ended up being a 20-inch because they were out of 18 inches. So that's the hair that I got, and I did end up using all of it. So like I said, I highly suggest using all 4 bundles to give you the fullness that you want to go for. So once again, this is the Burmese curly, I believe, that they have. or it's like the water wave curly with spirals, one of those. But yeah, I wanted to try it out. So far, I've really been loving this hair. It has not tangled or anything like that. I literally use my unbrush at night. Now, I do detangle my hair every single night before I go to bed. So I'll spray some water, go through with my unbrush, and then put it into like 2 little pigtails on both sides. And then I'll put my scarf on. So I haven't had any tangles, haven't had any shedding or anything like that. So far, I've really been liking this hair. The only thing that, and it's not really a problem, but my hair color is a little bit darker from this hair color. So this is like a natural blackish brown color. So I probably should have dyed this hair. Yeah, I probably should have dyed this hair black before I installed it, but I'll know for next time. I'm definitely going to try to reuse this hair. So definitely will be dyeing it black next time that I install this hair. But I feel like I make the hair match for the most part pretty good. And then as y'all can see, my middle part, I try to do like an invisible type of part thing for my middle part. And I feel like as it grows out some more, you won't really be able to tell, like it'll just blend. And then of course I can still do like a flip over and all that, but I do have some bobby pins in my hair to just kind of lay my edges down and stuff on the side where my leave out is, so that it won't be flying all over the place. So far, like I said, I've been loving this hair. Let me know if you guys are going to try this hair out. I would highly suggest it. Like I said, I bought it with my own money, my own coins. So this isn't sponsored or anything. So this is like my true review on this hair so far. Like I said, I've been wearing it for about a week and a half-ish actually. No, actually 2 weeks. Yeah, I've been wearing this hair for going on 2 weeks now. And I think I am going to try to wash it soon. So let me know if y'all want to see a video like down below in the comment section if y'all want to see me wash this hair and see how it does when, you know, we shampoo it and stuff in the shower. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and if you're going to try this hair out. Of course, I will have everything linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!